What are your strengths?
Strength? I'm strong. I can deliver heavy equipment, heavy item, even the hollow blocks I can deliver to that customer.
What are your weaknesses?
I'm easy to get angry because of the customers that always right. You know that.
Hello Meta Peeps! Welcome to our new series called Papasa Ka Ba Challenge, where we interview different influencers to see kung makakapasa sila as call center agents. So in this video, we invited Manoy to take his chances with us.
Hoy! Hello mga Meta Peeps at shoutout pala sa mga individual dyan na nanonood sa akin. No? So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin at dito pala tayo ngayon sa Metacom para kumasa sa Papasa Ka Ba Challenge. No? So titingnan natin kung malaki ba yung chance ko maging call center agent o wala akong chance kahit katiting. No? So panoorin ko to hanggang dulo no? Para at least magkaroon ka ng tips at ideas paano mag-apply dito sa call center. Yes! Diyos ko naman.
Hello, thanks for taking the time to interview with me today. So how are you doing?
I'm good.
Alright, so before we start, how do I address you? Do you have a nickname or do you want me to call you by your first name?
My nickname is Manoy. Just call me Manoy.
Alright, Manoy, so for this interview, I'm going to ask you a series of questions. So are you ready?
Yes,
Alright,
ready.
so first question, tell me something about yourself.
Tell me about myself. My name is Manoy. I'm a industrious, hardworking employee. I'm a delivering and I'm a honest person, positive. That's all.
Okay, thank you for that answer. What are your strengths?
Strength? I'm strong. I can deliver heavy equipment, heavy item, even the hollow blocks I can deliver to that customer. I'm strong. That's my strength.
If you're new to our channel, we are hiring call center agents, nurses, and IT professionals all over the Philippines. So if you're looking for a job or a better opportunity, the link to apply is in the description box below. What are your weaknesses?
Weaknesses? My weaknesses is I'm easy to get angry because of the customer that always right. You know that. And the customer that's slow to receive the parcel. That's bull.
Manoy, given that we have a large number of applicants today, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I'm a motivated person and I met a lot of customers, different customers, and I know how to handle the customers, right? That's all.
How do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm 25 now, 5 years from now, I'm 30 years old in that time. And I think I deliver a lot of parcel. More or less 5,000 parcels. And I think I have my own company, delivering company. And I will deliver also because I love my job. I will do this forever.
Moving on, Manoy, may I ask how much is your expected salary?
How much my expected salary? I have a lot of experience. I think I value myself 100,000 plus tip. That's my value.
How do you deal with irate customers?
Based on my experience, they don't have the right to angry. If they are angry, I'm angry also because this job is so difficult. Understand that?
For you, what is good customer service?
Good customer service. After I deliver many parcel, I can say that I have a good customer service. If they are happy, I'm happy too, and they giving me tip. That's a good customer service.
What can you bring to the company?
My God, I'm not informed that I have a bring something here in your company. I'm just delivering this parcel. If you want, order in online shop and I'm deliver parcel every day here in your company.
How do you describe the color blue to a blind person?
I'm telling to that blind person that blue is like a feeling. If you are calm, that's a color blue. If you are angry, that's red. And blue is like a sky. Do you know sky? Sky is blue. That's all.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I have a news that this company has a big salary and the office is aircon, the CR has a bidet. Do you know what is bidet? Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so this wraps up our interview session for today. So do you have any more question, Manoy, before we end?
Question? Ano madam Etong parcel na to, dito daw to eh. Sino ba to? Zai pa to, Zai.
Ay, sorry, ako yan. Kuya, meron kang Gcash?
Ikaw to, madam? Diyos ko naman, ikaw pala to eh. In-interview mo pa ako, hindi mo na lang ni-receive eh.
Sorry.
Gcash na lang.
Gcash. Send ko na, kuya.
Oo.
May QR code ka ba?
Wala, number na lang.
Sige, number na.
Kanina ka pa eh, tanong ka lang to. Dahil mo
Ba
lang,
to?
in-interview mo na yung buhay ko eh.
200 lang kunin mo, ha? Thank you. Okay, Meta Peeps, anong palagay niyo sa interview niya? We're all ears for your 2 cents, so comment down below kung passed or failed. We also ask our recruiters what they thought of the interview, so tingnan natin kung anong feedback nila. Day calls for another content. Hello again, Meta Peeps, and shout out mga individuals. Ang kumasa at pumusta sa ating Papasakba Challenge ay walang iba kundi si Razel Bolante, aka Manoy. Roll VTR, please.
Hello mga Meta Peeps, at shoutout pala sa mga individual dyan na nanonood sa akin. No? So maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin at dito pala tayo ngayon sa Metacom.
So ready ka na ba sa ating challenge for today's video?
Oo, Diyos ko naman, ready na ako dyan. Grabe, pinagandaan ko to. Sa bahay, naganda kami. Spaghetti, sopa,
Sino lang muna rin dito. Hello, thanks for taking the time to interview with me today. So how are you doing?
I'm good.
Alright, so before we start, how do I address you? Do you have a nickname or do you want me to call you by your first name?
My nickname is Manoy. Just call me Manoy.
Alright, Manoy, so for this interview, I'm going to ask you a series of questions. So are you ready?
Yes,
Alright,
ready.
so what are your strengths?
Strength? I'm strong. I can deliver heavy equipment, heavy item, even the hollow blocks I can deliver to that customer.
What are your weaknesses?
Weaknesses? My weaknesses is I'm easy to get angry because of the customer that always right, you know that. And the customer that's slow to receive the parcel, that's bullshit.
Manoy, given that we had a large number of applicants, how do you see yourself in 5 years?
I'm 25 now, 5 years from now, I'm 30 years old.
Basic.
And I deliver a lot of parcel, more or less 5,000 parcels.
May I ask how much is your expected salary?
How much my expected salary? My God, I have a lot of experience. I think I value myself 100,000 plus tip. That's my value.
How do you deal with irate customers?
Based on my experience, they don't have the right to angry. If they are angry, I'm angry also. Because this job is so difficult. Understand that?
Did Manoy pass or fail? And why?
Passed. Failed. Failed siya.
Failed.
Failed.
If I were the interview, I would give a passing grade.
Failed.
Failed. Hindi ko siya ipapasa.
It's really hard to say naman kapag failed talaga yung application. Applying or working here in the BPO industry, kailangan talaga meron tayong positive attitude. Kita ko rin naman na may mga sagot siya. Talagang may point naman and tama. Kaya lang para sa akin kasi, first impressions last.
Umpisa pa lang kasi, bad trip na siya. Pero may mga answer siya na pasok naman sa banga.
Communication skills niya rin. Okay? So, he has the confidence. Kaya niya sumagot ng may confidence. Malakas yung boses. With diction, yung pagsasalita niya. Pero medyo yung mga questions, medyo malayo yung nasasagot niya. Overall, for me, siguro yung pinaka naging factor dito is yung on how he approached the interviewer. So, pagdating doon, kailangan, kasi hinahanap ng mga company is yung may good attitude. So, una pa lang that pinapakita mo na yan bago kayo mag-start ng interview.
The reason why that I failed Manoy, with the comm skill, para sa akin kailangan pa rin niyang i-polish yung communication skill niya.
Very interactive siya. No questions were left unanswered. So, if I were the HR, I would hire him. Very entertaining po.
Yung pinaka-considering or pinaka-good flag, I guess, sa interview niya was naging totoo siya din sa mga gusto niya sabihin. So, walang sugarcoating, walang pagbabago ng personality. Tapos, yung paggamit niya ng profanities, yun, sobrang naging totoo siya. And sana mas magiging maganda yung kung mas galit pa siya.
Ano ang message mo kay Manoy?
Yun man ay pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-deliver mo ng parcel, Saka talagang napakasipag na tao.
Yeah, practice more lang sa communication skills. So if meron siyang mga relatives sa kanila na pwede siyang makipag-usap using English language, he can do that para mas ma-practice niya yung communication skills niya.
For me, for Manoy, mahirap mag-take down ng applicant. Siyempre, hindi lang kay Manoy, para rin sa aspiring applicant na gustong mag-call center agent in the future. So, siyempre, advice ko lang, try to watch a lot of movies in English or YouTube videos, mga tips and advice kung paano nila mapapolish yung communication skills nila and kung paano nila may improve yun. So, yun lang naman Manoy, idol kita. Diyos ko po, hinahanap ka na ni Mang Dodong.
I'm hoping na sana one day makapag-deliver ka din sa akin ng parcel para magkaroon tayo ng one-on-one talk. Share some ideas and paano makapasa sa BPO industry.
Good luck sa'yo.
Siguro, aside sa mas maging galit pa siya or maging mas totoo, babaan niya na may salary offer niya. Kasi parang ang hirap humanap ng 100,000 as call center agent lang or customer service representative. Yun lang naman. Pero overall, maganda naman. Sige, since naging totoo siya sa sarili niya.
Ayun, continue creating some funny videos. Actually, nanonood din ako ng mga video mo and yeah, nakakatuwa siya and keep up the good work.
I'm a big fan actually. Nanonood talaga ako ng mga videos niya kahit before. Sa mga contents niya na talaga nakakatawa. Pero Manoy, for now, maybe we cannot pursue application with Metacom kasi yung pagdating sa attitude mo, medyo galit ka dun sa interviewer namin with Miss Sai. So yun, sa mga applicants na may plans din na mag-apply to a BPO company, yun lang yung tips namin na pagdating sa interview, you should give your best, syempre, and also yung pinaka-importante yung attitude. Kahit sobrang galing ka, kung medyo palpa ka sa attitude, kayang-kaya ka ibagsak ng any BPO companies. So that's the main thing na sa una pa lang ipakita mo na meron kang pleasing personality and also professionalism. Manoy, for now, hindi mo na kita mapapasa sa interview, pero I'm a big fan of yours.
My message to Manoy, I believe na you did your best on the interview kahit na magde-deliver ka lang talaga ng parcel kay Miss Sai that time. And I can tell na maraming mga improvements na pwede mong gawin during your interview. And may mga pagkakataon din naman na nasagot mo ng maayos yung question. So, of course, for now, you failed, but there's still a chance na mag-improve ka pa. So, better luck next time, Manoy.
Always make sure na try to smile kahit na nag-a-apply lang tayo as an applicant kasi magandang feedback din yun pagdating sa mga recruiters.